Picture yourself in the 2019 Chevrolet Trax. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Trax delivers the functionality of a compact SUV, technology that keeps you connected and safe, flexible cargo space, efficiency, and a sense of fun. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, keyless start, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, intermittent wipers, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. See how much fun it can be to drive a car that's designed with your urban lifestyle in mind. Take the Trax out for a spin.